Today is December 31st of 2025 and today is my Chinese elementary exam, so I'll just get ready. I just woke up and I'm like doing a vlog today that what I will gonna do today, and I'll just get ready and go to the school to do my exam. So see you there. So we came to give our Chinese elementary exam today. It's the final for first semester. How are you feeling? I'm not feeling well. I'm scared. I'm scared too. Oh my god. I want to show you guys, this is our exam hall. It's in Chang'e building. So we came to dorm and we're going to Haidilao now with no move. We just came to dorm and then we got ready within 5 minutes, and then we are going now to Haidilao with her Chinese friend. Waiting for the Didi. This one? Here we go. We are going. It's the last evening of 2025. Here we came and here is the view. And look at this. And we are going to Haidilao. It's full of restaurants. Here is Nomo's Chinese friend. Her name is Zina. This is inside the Haidilao. And ooh, we printed our photo. Here we go. And they gave the towel for the hand.
Look at the photo we printed.
Yeah, look at this.
So cute.
See, they gave us the food. And here is the tablet for the menu. We can choose, and there's our clothes. Here we go. They gave us this. Once we do it, they gave us this. And here we go. We have to choose from here. When we are eating or something, we can add here. And here we go. Our foods are preparing, and here is a lot of mushrooms. And I picked this. And they are putting it. Basically, it's a birthday noodles, and in China they eat this on the birthday.
It's so spicy.
It's spicy for her, but for me, nah. And it came. See, ooh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And this will be here. And this will be here, of course. It's noodles. And we take a photo with the camera, and it came so good. And they gave me a photo frame, and I keep it here.
They gave us a photo frame, and we can print the photo too.
What are you eating?
it's a gift from them. I think it's some kind of crackers.
They put the, the face wash, the mouth wash, everything here. You can use it free. It's free. And we are going to do our hand, and I'll miss this place and I will come again. Yeah. And now I will do my hand. Waiting. They have done and they put this. So we have done with our hands, and now we will go to our home dorm, and then we will go somewhere to celebrate New Year. So after going home, we take a nap, and then now we are in taxi. We are going to Zhongyang to see the fireworks because it's New Year. So yeah, and now it's 10:45 p.m. and we came here already, and basically it's Ice and Snow World's entrance number 3. So you can see that. Look at this, guys. It's real ice. And we are walking. And I forgot to tell you that, this is Songhua River. It's called Songhua River, and it's a river basically. And now it's winter, that's why it got frozen. And there's ice and snow world, and it's many activities will be here after some days. Yeah. And yeah. Are you excited for the new year to spend time, spend the new year together?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah, we are so excited. Happy New Year!
太大了，这个烟花的球真大呀！
Look at this, guys. We just came from that place and we saw this. It's in Harbin, Zhongyang Street. Yeah. And our hands are freezing, so we just came into one supermarket. It's all about the Russian chocolates and all the Russian things. And this is Zhongyang again. A lot of people. My gosh, it's minus 27 degrees. My eyes, my hands, my nose. It's crazy. And this is the safety. That's why this is the sign you have to come to China. And now we are going home because we are freezing. Literally we are freezing. It's so cold. So we will take the metro because the roads are full of traffic. The cars, it's stuck already. So we will just go. So I'm so tired, as you can see in my eyes. I mean, now we are going home. We did a lot of stuff today. Did our Chinese elementary exam, then went back to the home, then went to Haidilao, and then went back to the home, and then again we came to Zhongyang, and then we are going now. It's a long day. Alright, so that's how I am starting my new year like this, and for the first time without my parents, but it's okay. And
thank you so much for watching the video. I'm just too tired, too sleepy, because today was a lot of activities, from exam to here. And one thing this year taught me a lot. Like, I'm so grateful for everything. Alhamdulillah, I'm just grateful to my parents. I just love them. And that was it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a very happy new year. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Bye bye.